Matt, what's up? What's up, everyone? Good to be on with you guys. Yes, sir. It is the Masters week this weekend. I'm busy watching it here in the background, but yeah, I hope that you guys are all going good. I'm up $1,300 on the day on one of my FTMO, or $400 actually. It's 1,397. Let's say, give the exact number. But markets are absolutely ripping right now, and yeah, very, very interesting to see what we are getting. So here's my P&L so far. This is only on my FTMO live accounts for the month to start out. Over here, as you can see, 9K on the month, 1.4K today. But so I'm locked out for the week, for the day. I'm not going to be trading those accounts for the rest of the session. But yeah, it's been obviously very interesting. I had a quick little scalp short on the NASDAQ this morning live on stream. You guys can go rewatch that. Yeah, just very, very solid sound trading. But yeah, Matt, so it is definitely Masters this weekend. So make sure to go check out GoChamp. I'm just going to be looking to trade this account rest of the day. It's a free competition-based account. I'm done on my main FTMO funded accounts today and my personal. So yeah. Otherwise, yeah, it's been a good week so far. How's everyone else going their side? So we'll see what to do. Let's just anchor a VWAP. Let's anchor a VWAP over here to the New York session open. At anchor VWAP, and then we'll anchor a VWAP to the start of day. There we go. Okay, so you can see we started to pinch. I got the shorts as we came underneath both and the opening range. But obviously now we're taking through them, so I'm not in anything as we speak at the minute. Any questions or thoughts in the chat as we speak right now? But yeah, I'm looking forward to watching that Masters. That's what I'm going to be doing the rest of the day. What's up, Angel? How did you go today? Better trading your side today, Angel. How did you go? Give me a second, guys. I just need. Cool. So let me run through my trade that I did take this morning. I was on a 5-minute time frame, and I actually even went down to the 1 minute. So we break the opening range low. Let's build that in there. So 330. So we got the opening range high and low. We take out the low. Okay. Oops. Let's go like that. And I end up getting short over here. And I take that quick little scalp to the downside. That was my trade today. And then I also had a pre-market long off of this level. I literally took this bar over here. The 2 trades, I was actually up $1,000 heading into the open, and then a quick little like $400 winner. So I took that bar there up into the highs. So those are my two trades today on NQ, and probably just going to lock it up there, to be honest. I'm not going to look to trade anything. I think the shorts were done once we broke this New York session open VWAP and the daily VWAP all together. So I'm setting up on the 50-minute chart again. Account, last 3 nights, solid recovery. Nice, that's good, bro. Yeah, I think as soon as this bar you had 510, that's brilliant. We literally have exploded off of that. We're up like 200 points since there, 100, maybe 130 points. But yeah, you don't need to catch all of the move. You just need to catch your piece, right? You never need to catch all of every single move. That's just unnecessary. So that's been my theme and process for the trading day so far, or even this year. It's just been taking one good trade at a time, not trying to overcomplicate anything, right? We do have the Masters this weekend. Let's have a look at PGA. Let's have a look at Masters. Who's leading at the moment? Patrick Reed's 5 under through 8. Tommy Fleetwood. Yeah, it's interesting stuff at the minute. That's for sure. Yeah, so you're just looking to keep this up. Yeah, it's one good day at a time, right? It's one good day at a time. Yes, sir. We actually get that up on the sideline as we do watch. But yeah, Angel, I think as soon as it pinches there above those view ups, that's the play to take. Yeah, so I again just the 2 trades today, and that puts me up on the trading day. But again, I think not trying to catch all of the move. I never try and do that. And just letting one good day come at a time. So yeah, any questions in the chat? Anyone got any thoughts or questions in the chat right now? I recall the first hour shakeout. Let's have a look there. I recall the first hour shaking in proper intel before taking a trade. Yeah, that is something that you could definitely do. I think it does help a lot in terms of like not trying to chase anything, you know? Yeah, stocks are also soaring as well. Geez, stocks are soaring here. Amazon up. Yeah, again, just every single thing every single dip's being bought here at the moment. You need discount codes for FTMO. FTMO don't offer discount codes really. So yeah, at the moment, no discount codes, unfortunately. But you can check that. Maybe this link gets you a discount code. But unfortunately, to me, I don't know of any that they don't give any influencers discount codes. You can go have a look at them through this link there. Everything is all there. Yes, sir. But yeah, everything being bought up right now, and that's not unusual. I mean, Meta and everything is all up. In fact, actually, I think Meta's up like so we have at the moment Mag7 are all green except Microsoft. Meta's up 3%, Amazon's up 5%. So things are really, really starting to rip here at the moment, which is obviously great for stock market long term. I think it's a good time to be buying personally. The long term stocks like your Amazons, like your Apples. Yeah, Meta up another 3% today. Perfect. So right now, I'm not going to look to take any trades. We're too far from VWAP. And this is what I speak about quite a lot on my streams is that you want to be buying as close to this VWAP as possible or selling where I sold that earlier. See how I sold? You want to be buying there. And then I sold earlier this morning off of the VWAP over there. Boom, like that. That's what you want to be doing every single day. You want to be buying or selling as close to that VWAP as possible. Right? So we look here. So Meta, yeah. What do you like better, Top One or FTMO? FTMO, they've the gold standard of trading. Top One are also great, but if I had to pick, it would be FTMO. 100%. You can't go wrong with them. I've never had any issues. Top One are great as well. But yeah, FTMO, the gold standard, they've been around for ages. But I think you guys should also come check out, as I said, this GoChamp, the free competition-based accounts. But right now, my main focus, and you've heard me say this on stream, is get green, lock myself up. There's no reason to be trying to trade when you're already green in this late in the day, past 12, personally. Or shift the options to execute trades on TradingView. Yeah, it can be a bit of a tough one. But yeah, how do you prevent chickening out on your trade before hitting your TP? I have no confidence in trading skills. How do I work on that? That's a good question, Alex. I think sometimes not looking at the P&L, but it comes with time. That's just something that comes with experience. I can't sit here and say that it becomes easy. It definitely becomes better with time. That's for sure. So letting your trades hit take profit, I think it just comes in with natural progression as you get better as a trader. But yeah, I know CFD firms only really allow on MetaTrader, which I enjoy. I enjoy MetaTrader personally, but I know some guys do like on TradingView. But yeah, Alex, I think it just comes with time. Something that has helped me is not looking at my P&L screen, and then you're not actually watching the numbers fluctuate, right? What trade did you take today, Alex? Your side, by the way. Cool. So again, get yourself green and then lock yourself up. That's the biggest advice that I can give and what's been working for me right now. Yeah. Bitcoin's also soaring. Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin as well, let's go to an hourly time frame on Bitcoin. Bitcoin still coming off of these VWAPs, and I think we could be seeing the next leg higher. Let's go to the daily time frame as well. But yeah, I think if we do clear like the 75K level, I think we could be seeing back up into the 80Ks personally. That's my own personal take on that. But yeah, MQ 500 orb short. Nice. So you should have got that orb short. My Algo took the wind short. So you should have been able to get that short. How long did it take you to not feel so attached to losses? Oh, bro, that's sometimes I still feel attached to losses, but I would say a good like 4 or 5 years. Yeah, probably 5 years. Yeah. To not feel attached to losses. 100%. It takes time. That's all what I can say. But the daily time frame looks like we're coming back up to all-time highs here on the indexes. And the stocks are lagging. So I think it's a good spot to be looking at potential adding into those portfolios. I did a big add-in last month and did again about 2 weeks ago. we're still off the all-time highs. We still have a bit to go. We're up at 26K. So we're 1,000 points of all-time highs on the NASDAQ, and on ES, about 200 points or so. So not far at all. And I think markets are stocks are looking great for long-term positions. We'll put some music on. Let's get some music on here in the background. So we'll get the banners. Let's get that. So yeah. Let's get some music going on in the background. Yeah, I like just chilling on stream with you guys, just watching markets. It's really, really interesting. There we go. Chilling. But yeah, again, simple rule of thumb, look to trade in line with the opening range break and VWAP. I did that on the NASDAQ today. We broke the downside and look to trade in that direction. Go down to the 5 minute again. So right now we're just too far extended from VWAP, and I expand that on stream. I have $100 left on my remaining drawdown. What do you think I should do? Wait until tomorrow? Yeah, maybe trade Asia Session or tomorrow, Alex. It's oh, for your daily drawdown. Yeah, I'll pack it up and come back the next day personally. Trade at your usual trading hours. Don't look to me hit max daily loss just for the sake of it. I know you trade live with other traders, but yeah. I would like to see you trade on your own. Yeah, I mean, I trade with the guys at Edgeville. So I'm still taking the trades there on my YouTube channel at the open. I think it is sometimes being on stream by yourself can be a little bit boring, personally. So yeah, I mean, I'm taking the same trades regardless, so. Yes, we're coming lower now. Yeah, so Alex, I mean, I'm still, I like being on stream with the guys, but I'm still taking my own trades on stream. I'm not like copying anyone. I always take my own trades. So yeah. Yeah, so for way for extended off VWAP. Yeah, Alex, I would back it up. Did you get your Mexico hat? I think your Mexico hat, by the way. Yes, sir. I need to actually wear it more often. Had your strategy. Yeah, 100%. I want you to ask questions, and the guys that are talking, I can definitely understand, speak about my strategy more. 100%. But today's strategy was pretty simple. We got the opening range low break and then a retest of the New York session VWAP, and I shorted down to the lows. But yeah, Alex, 100%. Yeah, my Mexico hat. I need to wear it more often, dude. That's for sure. That's actually one of my favorite ones. I did do a video on YouTube today as well, going over all. This is what I want you to go watch, Alex. I did a YouTube video today going over all of my trades from my last month where I took 25K out with FTMO. What I want you to do is go watch that video. I don't know if you've watched it already, but there it is there. I'll put the link in the chat. Okay, over here. I want you to go rewatch. I want you to go share. I want you to go watch it. Anyone else that is watching as well, I want you to go check that out. I went over all my trades from the my month of March, and go leave a comment as well if you find that it helps you. Okay, cool. Yeah, 100%, Alex. I'll put the link there in the chat, so make sure to go check it out. Yes, sir. Masters Week, I'm very excited for that. That's for sure. Yeah, so again, like this at the spot where you don't want to be buying this, you don't want to be buying this high. Was that today? You have the same hat on. Cool. Yeah, I took that video today. Yeah, just people market open. Yeah, see how we're starting to come low now. We can actually try a sell back towards the VWAP like that. In fact, pretty difficult trade, but we can look to fade the VWAP and look to come back down. It's not a bad. We're so extended, so. You said just limiting the amount of indicators reference before trade. Limiting the amount of indicator reference. Yes. I wouldn't trade with many indicators. I would only look at opening range and the VWAP personally. That's what I would look at. So I'm trying this trade. If it moves up 1 half day, I'll take the loss. But we're moving back down toward like a mean reversion trade. We've extended higher, so now I'm looking for the fadeaway back down. Opening range and VWAP, that's really kind of, I think, all that you really need personally. There we go. So we'll pull the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ moves a lot quicker, but we'll see if the ES wants to come down lower. Yeah, there we go. So take a quick $20 on that type of trade. Mean reversion play. I mean, this could probably be, I still think it could come lower, but at least down to like 830. But yeah, nice little base hit, stack them up there like that. Yeah, so nice little winner there. Definitely going to enjoy the rest of the day and watch the Masters. That's my plan. What are your guys' plans for weekend? I think those that spend a lot of, like, well, I've been trading now, this is my 9th year. I wouldn't spend too much time back testing. You just got to continue doing what's been working for you. I did have that 6K FTMO account payout hit today, so that's always great. And then I've got 3 of them, so keep stacking, right? And I've got another 2 payouts due as well that I've locked in. I think will be about 8 grand that I've locked in already. So just continue to stack them up. That's all you really need. 1 to 2 good trades a day. Now, nice little quick scalp on that. That is the nice thing about day trading. You can fade the moves and actually sell as well. But I am definitely looking of adding more to my longer term portfolio, continuing to do it. You should be doing it to RA, retirement annuity. I don't know what they have in the States, but yeah. See how or what makes this trade confident is a VWAP like a magnet. Yeah, so this one here, we've extended. I'm just looking to trade back towards it. I'm not looking to hold this for long. It was a quick scalp back down. I'm not looking to hold it the full way. I've just seen price extend off of VWAP and I'm looking to trade back towards it. So that would be the mean reversion play, right? Compared to like an in-trend play where you would look to buy it, like over here, off the VWAP. That bar at 5:10 South African time, so that'll be 11:10 Eastern. That's the bar that you want to be ideally getting in at. That's the money trade. That's the money trade there today. This is a 5-minute time frame. That's what I like to use. That's the money trade. What are the settings on the open, high, low, close? 4. So I see he's leading the Masters right now. Yeah, Patrick Reed's 5 under, Tommy Fleetwood 4 under. Yeah. Yeah, so I don't think right now is going to be a tough spot to look for anything. It's kind of doing, if anything, I would see it retracing personally. Your daily rolling and yeah, so I just use the daily view app and the New York session open view app. Those are the only two view apps that I use personally. I don't look to overcomplicate it with anything. I've got the same process every single day, and I speak about this in my plan every single day, pre-market here on YouTube. Levels, wait for the opening range and view app to set in, and then I look at what the H4 data tells me to do and the what stocks are doing. That's what I look for every single day, right? So, yeah. Don't you trade New York session? I will trade pre-New York, not heavily pre-New York, but I'll say pre-market, like an hour or two before pre-market. Like I had a trade today pre-market, but most of my trades are coming in the New York session. Yeah, if you go and rewatch that video that I put out on my channel today about taking when my best trades are coming, that's when they are happening. Is the first hour of the New York session. Right. So yeah, most of my trades are coming that first hour of the New York session, 100%. Good for OMSQ as a new trader. I would say MES. It's a lot more slow. NQ can be a bit more wiki. So I would say MES. Trade ES if you are a newer trader. Yeah, so ES if you're a newer trader. NQ can be a little bit more aggressive mover personally. That's just what I have found, right? Yeah. It's good questions. Keep them coming. So again, like now that's having a little bit of a pullback. See, that's why you got to be careful of shorting it over here, because now this could be move up to back towards the highs. Yeah. I would not be surprised to see that everything has been getting bid back up. Corresponding tickers with ES. Well, ES would move with NQ. You know, that's going to happen. But I would look at NQ, Tesla, Nvidia. That's what is going to move the market. Yeah. Like, look, NQ picking up momentum now. So that's what I would have a look at. You mentioned you look at what stocks are, what stocks they do, what are the stocks doing? Mag 7 stocks. ES, so ES and NQ will move based off what Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, those stocks, what they actually are doing. So yeah, that's what I'm watching when I'm saying what stocks are doing. 100%. Yeah, look at this pump here now. Yeah, so again, getting a little bit of a pump up here. Back up towards those highs. What's up? Yeah, good to have you guys join the stream. So I'll do this live every single day. Okay, at 12 Eastern time, but I am live at the open too, where I took my trades. So we're going to call it now in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, good to have you guys on. I appreciate you guys being on. Okay. A little bit of a quieter stream today, not really many trades. Did have that little quick scalp and explain my strategy, what I look for every single day. But yeah, I don't think at the moment we're going to see too much at this time. It's just, this time later on in the session, once I'm green, I look to lock up. Perfect, guys. So we'll be on here again tomorrow. I'll be on for pre-market prep stream at the open. Go check out GoChamp, their free tournament-based accounts. Go check out all my socials as well. But I'm live pre-market 8 a.m. Eastern time. And then I am live for the open and then 12 Eastern time as well. Thanks for your questions. I always appreciate you guys being on. I'll wrap it up here. And we'll see you guys all on tomorrow. Yes, sir.